Welcome viewers, it's your boy Abule and welcome to my channel. Hey, for today's exercise, we got the same routine of 5 minutes and then we're going to be doing abs, standing ab exercises, okay? It's going to be quick, it's going to be simple. We don't need anything for these exercises. All you need is you and a space. So without no further talking, let's get into it. We're going to do 20 seconds of work, you already guessed it, followed by 15 seconds of rest. And our first exercise is going to be a high intensity exercise, also with our last one. If you've been on my channel before, you know I have beeps. So just follow the sound and let's get this working. All right, first one is jumping jacks. Try to fire the body up. Seconds, people. Push through it. You can do this.
Rest.
Nice, rest. All right, for our next exercise, we're gonna put our hands behind our head. Try not to lock them, okay? Just lay them, place them. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, and then we're gonna twist side to side, okay? So you ready? Let's go. Side to side. Make sure you're only moving your upper body. Keep your feet firm on the floor. Planted. Side to side. Keep going. Make sure you're twisting all the way, okay?
Rest.
Now we gotta rest. And for our next exercise, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our legs and then we're gonna bring them up one at a time. Alright? Just like that. You can put your hands on your hips or you can put your hands behind your head, whichever works best for you.
Work.
Alright, let's get into it. Just follow my motion, one at a time. You gotta try it. Don't just watch, try it. Almost there.
Rest.
Nice, nice. All right, for the next exercise, we're gonna stand, keep our feet planted, shoulder width again, but we're gonna lean side to side, okay? Side to side, one at a time. Just make sure you're touching the side of your knees. You ready? Let's go. Touch the side of your knees. You're only curving your waist. All right. There you go. Nice and slow. Oh, I'm feeling this. I hope you are too.
Rest.
All right, rest. Okay, so for the next one, what we're gonna do is, instead of pushing our head forward, our leg straight, we're gonna curve it in, okay? So it's gonna be a little high knees, but one at a time. Place your hands wherever you feel comfortable.
Work.
Go. One at a time. One at a time. Let's go. You got this. If you're doing this, you're doing great.
Rest.
Nice. All right, we got 3 more exercises to go. All right, for this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist our hands to the side, come, side. All right, let's do it. Go one side, let's go. Almost like you're grabbing something from your other pocket yourself, okay? Kind of like you're trying to use your other hand to get something out of the pocket on the other side. Nice. You feel a little squeeze. All right, we got 2 more to go, people. 2 more exercises. 2 more exercises. Now we're gonna do standing crunches on this one. I want you to put your hands behind your head, keep your feet shoulder width apart, and I want you to bend a little. Up, and up. All right, ready? Go. Let's try to squeeze. You see? It's a simple motion. Don't move your hips too much. Don't move your lower body too much. Just move from your hip upward. See? And then when you come up, stretch. Just like that.
Rest.
Yes. Now we got 1 exercise to finish, and it's gonna be a high intensity. And this is simple. We're just gonna do standing squats, alright? Now try to fire that body up. Try this. Breathe while you at it. Alright, let's go. 20 seconds. If you can go faster, go faster. If you can go deeper, go deeper. We almost at the end, people. We almost at the end. You come too far to quit now. Let's go. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, and then squat and
Rest.
stand up. All right, guys. If you've done this whole entire routine with me, you did good. This was it. Hope you come back. Hey, the only way you can get a good result is by consistently doing it. Okay, you have to keep doing
Workout
these
complete.
exercises. You're just not gonna click on this video, get hype up and do it one time and expect magic to happen. You have to like save it, come back, do it again until you get the result that you want. So if you try this workout with me, I'm grateful. I'm glad that you tuned in. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and stay safe out there.